Hello everybody, how you doing? This is Fadari and this video is about the video in HTML. How can we use a video in HTML document? Alright, so we have the video element in HTML to use a video on a web page. Alright, so we have the three supported formats for video in HTML, which are MP4, WebM and OGG. Alright, and remember one thing, that OGG is not supported in the Safari browser. Let's just go to the editor and see how can we use the video element. Okay, to add a video in your web page, all you need to use is a video element. You got to use a source, and in source you only have to provide the name of the video in case the video is in the same folder. I have one video in the same folder of the HTML document, so that's why I only have to write its name. Okay, one MP4. Alright, and okay, in the type attribute you have to write the type of the video or the format of the video, and I have to give it a width here, which would be probably 500. Alright, so save it here and run it again. M4V, run it again. Now we have our video, and if you want to put your video onto the autoplay, for that you have to use this property of the video in the starting tag, and then it will always autoplay the video whenever you open that web page. Alright, and if you also want to autoplay it and also want to put it onto the mute version, alright, so you have to use the mute property of the video element. Now let me just save it and run it again. Okay, now you can see that you have autoplayed your video and on the muted version. Alright, but you can see that we don't see any kind of controls on your video. So to add the controls, you have to write the controls, save it again and run it again, and this is how you add the control on your videos. Alright, in HTML document. This is all for this video, and if you really find this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.